I had a previous dentist that I asked, hey, how do you remove, I need to know exactly the steps that you take in removing the amalgams. I want to know the whole procedure that you use because I don't want to have mercury put in my system from the removal of this. And so he gave me his guidelines, and they were really basic. I think the most protective thing we had involved was a dental dam. However, deep down I was like, I don't think that's enough. The high evacuation suction and the dental dam didn't seem right to me, so I kind of went and researched, and then I found Dr. Wright, and I came in, and the procedure was like, it was great. He did an awesome job. I was in a hazmat suit. He was in a hazmat suit. The assistant was in a hazmat suit. We were all like donned for protection from the mercury. And they also had ionization going on in the room to keep, things, I guess, under control. I'm not sure what the ionization does, but I can tell you that the way we did it was so much better because I didn't feel any toxic or bad effects after the amalgams were removed. In fact, I believe I feel better after having them out. And mercury, it's a big deal. A lot of dentists kind of like, whatever, because they've been working with it for a long time. But what they don't realize is those fumes in the combination of those metals is it's still releasing. Every time you chew food, every time you grind your teeth at night if you do, or anything you do that your teeth come together, you're gonna have releasing of mercury in your system. And what people don't realize is mercury is only second toxic to plutonium. So that's pretty serious. You don't want that stuff in your system. So I'm really blessed. They're gone. I'm healthy. My mouth is free of amalgams and mercury, and I highly recommend if you have to get your mercury fillings taken out, this is the guy. this office. I was a hygienist for a few years, and I really am picky about my dentist, and he's amazing. He has just a wonderful personality, and he cares, where a lot of doctors nowadays don't, and he really does care. And the staff has been amazing. They do beautiful work here, and I feel like I found a home in a way, and a family in another way. They really know their stuff. They're up on the latest and greatest, and on top of it all, he's good with knowing what things to use that are most biocompatible with your body. So I was really happy to hear that when I got all my amalgams taken out, and I got a better material that was healthier for me, that wasn't releasing mercury into my system anymore. I felt really happy to get that out of there. So, and he knew exactly how to do it the right way, where many dentists will say they know the right way, but I could tell there was a huge difference in between what another dentist wanted to do and what he was going to do. So I highly recommend this staff, this office, this wonderful dentist. And anyways, thank you, and that's it.
Yeah. So what is your name?
My name is Barbie, and my daughter Isabella is with me, and she's come here too. My husband has an appointment soon, and we need to get him in for his cleaning. So that's just so silly. I don't know why I said that.
Yeah. It's because it popped in your head.
Yeah.
That's right.
I'm like, oh, I'm kind of nervous. Calm down.
That's the to-do list.
Yeah. A little camera
So
shy.
maybe just say by name the practice, like I would, and I don't want to put words in your mouth.
I highly recommend Four Seasons Dental. This place is great. You're going to love it.
Can you tell me just one more time, just because you're a little soft-spoken, can you tell me one more time just a little bit about your experience and just what your favorite part about Four Seasons is?
My favorite part about Four Seasons is the wonderful staff and their knowledge and the way that they handle things, the way they treat patients with healthier products. You're given better choices that are better for your body, and I highly recommend Four Seasons Dental to anybody who has to do dental work, because these guys know their stuff, and from my previous dental hygienist experience, I know they know their stuff, so I can really recommend them to you.
You know the difference.
I know the difference. I definitely know the difference.
I just have one question, because you know the difference. What is the main difference that separates what Four Seasons Dental Spa does with generally other dentists?
Okay. They use better materials. They're biocompatible, that are not going to cause problems with your system. They even have this cool little thing I have never seen at any other dentist that keeps the backwash from going into the saliva ejector, like coming back out into you, which most people don't have this extra little contraption. I had never seen it till I came here, and it's very new, and it does a great job. I wish more dentists would put that in their saliva ejector. So that way you don't get yucky biofilm from the inside of the tubes and the hoses. So I thought that was pretty amazing.
They have all the tech?
All the tech
all the talent.
and all the talent.
Oh, sorry.
And all the love.
You should say that.
All the tech, all the talent, and all the caring that you really want from a staff.
Yeah. Thanks. I think that's good.
Looking out for your best interest.
And that's true.